A drone is a flying unmanned aircraft, in other words, a flying robot. Initially, drone technology was used for military purposes, but it has rapidly evolved to be useful in various fields. In recent times, drones are being used extensively to capture live events. Free-flying drones are used to record concerts, sports events, and even weddings. The mesmerizing aerial shots in the movies and commercials are shot using drone technology. This technology is also being used by law enforcement authorities to survey and identify criminal locations and plan their action. Large companies are using drones for delivering products to their customers. Research is being carried out to develop drones which can fly into dangerous storms for data collection and monitoring weather. As drone technology continues to evolve, mankind will find even more innovative ways to use it.